The European green woodpecker is a large green woodpecker with a bright red crown and a black mustache. Males have a red center to the mustache stripe, which is absent in females. It is resident across much of Europe and the western Palearctic. The type locality is Sweden. The scientific name is derived from the Latin picus, meaning woodpecker, and viridis, meaning green. The Europe green woodpecker measures 30 to 36 centimeters in length with a 45 to 51 centimeters of wingspan. The bird has been given many folk names over the years, most commonly Yaffle or Yafflebird, after its well-known call. There are a range of others, some referencing their mythical ability to summon rain, and others that just sound fun. Peafowl is a common name for peacocks. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks, whereas female peafowls are referred to as peahens. Even though peafowl of either genders are often referred to colloquially as peacocks. The two Asiatic species are the blue or Indian peafowl, originally of the Indian subcontinent, and the green peafowl of Southeast Asia. The one African species is the Congo peafowl, native only to the Congo basin. Male peafowl are known for their piercing calls and their extravagant plumage. It is said that many a times they make their calls to attract the opposite gender, while sometimes they do it as a feeling of joy in the first rain indicating about the monsoon season. The Pacific koil, Eudynamis orientalis, also known as the eastern koil, is a species of cuckoo in the family Cucullidae. In Australia, it is colloquially known as the rainbird or stormbird, as its call is usually more prevalent before or during stormy weather. The Pacific koil is found in forest, woodland, plantations and gardens from Wallachia east to the Solomon Islands and south to northern and eastern Australia. The black-faced cuckoo shrike, Coracina novaehollandiae, is a common omnivorous passerine bird native to Australia and southern New Guinea. It has a protected status in Australia under the National Parks and Wildlife Act 1974. They are widely distributed in almost any wooded habitat throughout the area except in rainforests, but they can also occur in urban areas and are fairly common sight on power lines in Australian cities such as Sydney and Perth. It is partially migratory, and in India it has been considered a harbinger of the monsoon rains due to the timing of its arrival. The channel-billed cuckoo, Cithrops novaehollandiae, is a species of cuckoo in the family Cucullidae. It is a monotypic with the genus Cithrops. The species is the largest brood parasite in the world and the largest cuckoo. It is found in Australia, New Guinea and Indonesia. Additionally, it is vagrant in New Caledonia and New Zealand. The species is migratory over parts of its range. There are 3 subspecies, one migratory and other 2 resident. In northern Australia, the migration coincides with the beginning of the rainy season, leading to the species being given a range of colloquial names such as stormbird, floodbird, or rainbird. The frugivorous habits of the species, coupled with its raptor-like appearance, have also resulted in it being known as the fig hawk. Burchellus caucule, Centrophus burchelli, is a species of cuckoo in the family Cucullidae. It is found in sub-Saharan Africa. It inhabits areas with thick cover afforded by rank undergrowth and scrub, including in suitable coastal regions. It is sometimes considered a subspecies of the white-browed cowcul. It is named after the British naturalist William John Burchell. This bird has a distinctive call, which resembles water pouring from a bottle, and various other calls such as the dove call and an alarm hiss. The birds are most vocal in the breeding season, and a couple may call in duet or several birds may call in concert.